Okay, real talk. If your brain's been running on overdrive and your anxiety's at a solid chaotic neutral, I've got a plant friend you need to meet. Lemon balm. It's not just for that granny lifestyle. This herb is nature's chill pill and brain booster all in one leafy package. So let's grab our tea mugs and your stressy thoughts and let's dive in. Lemon balm is a member of the mint family, but she's soft-spoken and an introvert of the bunch. Smells lemony, tastes light and fresh, and it works absolute magic on your nervous system. It's been used since the Middle Ages for everything from mood swings to digestive issues. These days, we love it most for its calming and cognitive enhancing benefits. Lemon balm is great for stress and anxiety. You know those days, the ones where your to-do list is judging you, your brain is spinning like a hamster on matcha, and someone just tells you to relax and you basically combust? Yeah, lemon balm gets it. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Neuroscience showed that lemon balm can significantly reduce anxiety, nervousness, and even insomnia after one dose. So how exactly does that work? Lemon balm interacts with GABA, which is a calming neurotransmitter in your brain to actually help you chill out without making you feel drowsy or dead inside. Personally, I recommend tea or even glycerite or a tincture during those high-key cortisol moments. Lemon balm also helps with focus and brain fog. Lemon balm is surprisingly nootropic, which is just a fancy word for brain supportive. In a 2014 double-blind study, participants who took lemon balm showed improved memory, alertness, and concentration. Yes, even while under stress. I personally like to use it before content batching or hopping on a call with a client. I also really love to pair lemon balm with rosemary or gotu kola. I feel like it gives me that extra kick that I need when I need to really focus. Here are some other really great things that lemon balm is used for because she's all about multitasking. First one being better sleep without the melatonin hangover. Secondly, digestive support. Lemon balm is great for calming nervous tummies, especially when it's stress that's messing up your gut. Lastly, lemon balm is great for mood boosts. It contains subtle antidepressant properties to help smooth out those not so great days. But let's not forget the bonus of glowing skin. Lemon balm has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and is amazing to use in toners, steams, and even ice facials. I use lemon balm in our Happy Day Glycerite as an alcohol-free option to help your body with stress and anxiety. If you want to check that out, I'll leave the links below. If you want to get started using lemon balm in your home apothecary, here are some great ways to use it and to get this herb in your system ASAP. Number 1 is a tea. You're going to do 1 to 2 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water. Let that steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Strain it, add honey or whatever sweetener you prefer, and sip it while side-eyeing your stress. Second, as I mentioned before, would be a glycerite or a tincture. It's sweet, it's alcohol-free, and it's great for kids and adults on the go. You can also use it as an infused oil or a toner for your skin. You can also add lemon balm to your bath as a bath soak with salt. All you're going to do is add a handful of lemon balm and some Epsom salts into a reusable muslin bag and pop it in your tub. That's it. Quick disclaimer. You do want to avoid lemon balm in high dosage if you're on any thyroid medications or sedatives. Always check with your herbalist or your doctor before taking a lot of lemon balm. So yeah, lemon balm is that girl. She's soft, she's sweet, and she's secretly powerful. If you're stressed, foggy, or just tired of caffeine being your only brain support system, give lemon balm a try. Drop a lemon in the comments below and let me know your favorite way to use this herb. If you're ready to start building your own home apothecary, I have an apothecary supply checklist waiting for you in the description below. It's got all the things that you could possibly need to start your own home apothecary, and there's also links provided. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to send this video to your most stressed out friends. Until next time, go forth, brew boldly, and we'll see you soon. Bye!